Welcome back to my channel Tech Getter Official. In today's video, we will learn how to remove an email account from your Windows 11 PC in a simple and easy way. If you have multiple email accounts connected to your system and want to remove one of them, then this video is for you. So let's get started. First, click on the Windows icon and then click on Settings. Once the Settings window opens, look at the left-hand side panel. Here you will see multiple options. Click on Accounts. Now inside the Account section, you will find different settings related to your profile, sign-in options, and connected accounts. Here you need to scroll down a little and click your account. Now you will see all the email accounts that are currently connected to your Windows 11 PC. This may include your Microsoft account, work account, school account, or any other email you have added. If you have multiple accounts, carefully check and select the one you want to remove. Now click on the account that you want to remove. You will see a small drop-down arrow on the right side. Click on it to expand the options. Here you will find the option called Remove. Click on Remove Account. Now Windows will ask you for confirmation. It will show a message asking, "Are you sure you want to remove this account from this device?" Before clicking Yes, make sure you really want to remove this account. Because all synced data like emails, contacts, calendar events, and settings related to that account may also be removed from your PC. If this is a work or school account, then some data may be managed or controlled by your organization, so be extra careful before removing it. Once you are sure, click on Yes. Now within a few seconds, the selected email account will be removed from your system. And that's it, the account is successfully removed. This is useful if you want to switch accounts or manage multiple accounts on your system. You can also use this method if you want to remove an old or unused email account to keep your system clean and organized. So this is how you can easily remove any email account from your Windows 11 PC. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Getter Official.